white dress, walking down that aisle. I was watching the heart of my smile. They swore forever, but forever was lies. Now I see the pain deep inside your eyes. I should have stayed, I should have tried. I should have never let you say goodbye. Now I'm standing here, tears in my face, pushing like a tidal wave. But I came too late, tears in my face, pushing like a tidal wave. Tears plainly, but I came too late. I shout your name, but your heart beats faint. And the love I feel is still burning strong. But time ran out and the moment's gone. My silent scream. Every night you cried alone in your bed. Everybody said just cut you instead. I thought you're playing though I wasn't there. Don't drown in your own despair. I should have fought, I should have stayed. Should have been a shelter when the skies turn gray. Now your breath is gone, let them beg you to stay. To give me one chance, don't take you away. But I came too late to shout your name. But your heart beats faint and the love I feel is still burning strong. But time ran out and the moment's gone. Oh, too late for us, too late for our dreams. I'm crying in the dark, my silent scream. What did I go wrong? All I wish for is our high school love. Even when broken, my heart stayed true. If cold hands reach, I'm holding tight. But the stars fade out, it's the end tonight. But I came too late,